To set up a money box. Start by defining your savings goals. Whether it is for a short-term or long-term objective, determine the amount you want to save and the frequency of your deposits. Choose a suitable location for your money box, such as a secure spot in your home or a safe deposit box. Select a money box that suits your needs, considering factors such as size, material, and security features. You can opt for a traditional cash box or a digital money box, depending on your preference. Set a realistic savings target and create a schedule to deposit funds into your money box regularly. To make the most of your money box, establish a routine of regularly adding funds and tracking your progress. Consider implementing the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income goes towards necessary expenses, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. Practical examples of using a money box include saving for a vacation, building an emergency fund, or paying off debt. Best practices include setting reminders to deposit funds, avoiding dipping into your savings for non-essential expenses, and reviewing your progress regularly to stay motivated. By following these steps and maintaining discipline, you can effectively set up and utilize a money box to achieve your financial goals. Remember to stay consistent, patient, and committed to your savings plan, and you will be on your way to securing a stronger financial future.